Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen color on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if your screen colors are changed and you are unable to change them back to default colors, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on vision enhancements. Now in vision enhancements, scroll down and click on color adjustment. So if you have turned on the color adjustments, then turn it back off, and after turning off, your screen colors will be changed back to default. But if it doesn't, then go back and click on color filter. Now if you have turned on any color filter from here, then tap on this button to turn it off, and then your screen colors will be changed. But after these settings, if you are still facing the screen color issue, then swipe down, and here you will see a eye comfort shield button. So if this button is turned on, then turn it back off, and after doing this, your screen color issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen color on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.